campaign Bangladesh. Rajay Mayaji. Rajay Mayaji. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much to our friend, our student, Mr. Bodotara, President, KFS Central Committee from Bipho. Now I want to request our Party Women Association President, Nadirani. So I request Mr. Vidar Singh Inti, President, Delhi Karmishanina. He is here, but he is out of our area. So I request next our General Secretary, Delhi Karmishanina, Mr. Ramesh Teran. You are one of us. So I want to request Mr. Vidar Singh Inti, President, Delhi Karmishanina. Delhi or Karmishan Inam Delhi, Karmishan Inam Delhi. So please welcome him. Next.
में रह के जोश में रहेंगे जब तक हमारे ये मुकाम, जब तक हमारे मंजिल हमें हासिल नहीं होंगे। हम इसी तरह मिलजुल के, चाहे कार्बी आंगलंग में हो चाहे दिमा हासाओ में हो, हम इसी तरह मिलजुल के आज से भी और ज्यादा जोरदार से हम इस इश्यू को आगे लेकर के जाएंगे। और साथ में हमारे कादर्स कम के प्रेसिडेंट और सेक्रेटरी लीडर्स, सभी लीडर्स को यही अनुरोध करना चाहूँगा कि सिर्फ कार्बी आंगलंग में ही नहीं, हमारे करके एक प्रोग्राम रैली ऐसा कीजिए, ये हमारे तरफ से रिक्वेस्ट है। एंड लास्टली सबको यहाँ पे जितने भी आए हुए हमारे बुजुर्ग, हमारे भाई और बहनों, सबको हमारे दिल से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देके मेरे छोटा सा भाषण यही समाप्त करता हूँ। खादो।
Thank you very much to our friend Amit Nunisha.
So, I on behalf of Kargil Sodarwar, would like to welcome everyone that we have reached here from Bipho to Delhi, taking so much of distance to travel here to stage a dharna. It's a big thing for us. So, as we all know, we have been struggling and having staging dharna in every year, twice or thrice, but still now we have not met our demand till now. So until and unless our demand is fulfilled, the struggle will be on. And so as earlier in the morning we have heard from the Honorable MP that a private member bill have been processed. So very thankful to him that he have in his very short period of his tenure he have processed for the introduction of Karbi Dimanchan bill at the parliament, and it's a great thing. So the reason for the bill had been introduced previously also, and so now he had introduced processed the bill in the parliament within his very short tenure of his period. So we are very thankful, and we are hoping that within a very short time the government, we are hopeful that the government will take over the bill and adopt it as a government bill, and it fulfill our demand very shortly. So I have got nothing to say much more about this. Is that the bill consists of our rights, the Karbi Dimachal Bill is it consists of our rights of the peoples of the tribal peoples of our hill district, that is Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao. It consists of everything, all our land rights, our culture, our language, and everything. And it consists everything that can protect our land and our culture, our language, everything. So until and unless our demands were met, our struggles will be on, and within by not taking too much of time, I would conclude my speech. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Bimanto, President Karbi Rishatarbar. Karbi Rishatarbar is the second oldest Karbi social organization of Karbi community. Next, I want to request Mr. Akam Amsi. He is the President of Diva Karpar. He is retired from the Umpanai Amri Conference. So, I want to request Mr. Akam Amsi, President, Diva Darbar. He is very much indigenous tribes of our Karbi Anglong district. Thank you.
Penke di masa studion la penke Karbi Anglong ke do anarada tum asesona batai tin sitame Ladakh dharna nang do pen autonomous state kache song ington te pinapot nili la song do an sitame pine nang che tong atum phanar se pen ningarong kurwang tualang litupan paji reglo ilitum 244 labangso implementation upon nili moheta thanlo Biren Singh ingti sitame labangso Karbi Dimachal labangso bill 1 lo so bill abangke house along discussion pen passing ana bangke claim unde do la penafit 17 lok sabha ahut sitame ake hai XMP Horen Singh be sitame labangso bill abang ka parliament long ka paen ponji aphan alangli sitame claim ponlo Home Ministry along pen papas ponlo President pen la pen abila bangta House along an nang lelo tebo office election do kong masi un eda dola si aku Ladakh nililong Ladakh kachesong abang ko jitimung singtimung dipu ke dohut la so bila bangke la so state do koklo apon nang li puthot reintroduce apan claim pon tunai pusi la sinili reintroduce apan claim pon lo la pen nona bangke Home Ministry along si mane process do ko Home Ministry along si dolo Home Ministry along dete Parliament pen President of India pen jong si signature long lo SN long lo pulu tangte labangso bangke Ladakh House along wang lo tangte ke pa introduce pon la pen passing pon la si nilining ke thedum je Viksit Bharat develop India 2047 aprangke ilitum labangso hempreg long pon wekji pusi nilining chethe tip athe nanglitum kache song kadong abis ame ington te pinke lapen hempreg long lok lo pulon tante ilitum kadong abis ame kaching thurbang prap chotpo ilitum council of minister da dopo ilitum legislature da dopo kadong beta po kaching thur kadong abis ame ilitum prap chotpo
implementation matela autonomous state development jepan Assam government support ko
Assam government sitame Ladakh bangke dipu along abatai batai elitum chief minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma kewang hota je hempre ka banganang litum ninga klong bezika hangapot nilitum Assam government ahin mate kadok abi Assam arat sitame labangso 244 implementation apangke oppose dunde pusi alangli chu election aprangke bang hota ningje pondaklo lapen labangke state ke thak kali de labang state within the state jakong nangapi matro law and order bangke parent state long dopo bad bakian bang ilitum long dopo lanchon matelasi la ako Assam Pradesh la BJP pen pusitame kadong sitame labang solong nang support dundo ke labang ke la sila da bang Assam government pen kadong nang kham ke dunia bang ni di tek long le Dok lo mak.